Hello everyone, today's knife is the Devil's Claw. This is another blast from the past, I guess you could say. This is a model that we've been making for a lot of years, and it's easy to see why. This is a great self-defense, easily concealable knife that's got quite a bit of heft and strength built into it. What we're looking at here basically is 3/16 1095. This is black traction powder coat, blue-black G10 handles. It's got about a 3-inch blade, and the overall knife length is less than 6 inches. So if you're looking for a knife that can conceal easy, be great for self-defense, but still be hefty and still have some strength and some weight to it, this is an excellent option. It's got a good 3-finger grip, super comfortable. It's got the hawkbill shape to it. This is a great shape for slashing type cuts or pulling type cuts. The serrations would be good if you were going to use this as, say, to cut rope or other cloth type materials. Again, this is a knife that we've been making probably more than 15 years at this point, and it is still a really nice self-defense option. The sheath on it is black Kydex, and it is set up for a horizontal carry, but it can very easily be repositioned with this, we call it our multi-position clip. It's a spring steel clip that all you have to do to reposition this is remove these 2 screws, rotate it into whatever direction you want, put the screws back on, and now you can wear this horizontal, vertical, you can wear it canted, inside the waistband, outside the waistband, front, back, kind of wherever you want to go. And that was one of the things we wanted with this knife, is it needed to be kind of versatile, where you could wear it, where you could put it. If you're wearing like a duty belt or something like that, it can be positioned behind a mag pouch. You know, a lot of different options. And again, just a really simple, small package with a knife that is excellent for slashing and pulling cuts. It does have a good tip on it, so if you needed to stab as well, that would also be easily possible. And again, this one you can find at topsknives.com. MSRP is $200. Go get one while you can.